Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I think are the top 5 free money making apps. Okay, so let's get into it. These are the top 5 apps where you can get free money and potentially a lot of it. So we're kicking it off on Outlet Finance. This is a relatively new app. It's basically like a banking account, a savings account that gives you a really high APR. So it gives you a really high return on your money. Most bank accounts are like 0.25% or something like that. You can see right under the dollar amount here, Outlet Finance is 7.75% APR. So that means if I put $100 in here, I'm gonna get $7.75 at the end of the year. But I think it actually dishes out your earnings monthly, so you don't have to wait till the end of the year to get that amount. But this is very simple to set up. You just create an account and you can get $5 for free if you sign up with my link down in the description. When you deposit your first $5, you'll get $5 for free. Another thing to know, all these apps require like a valid ID, a valid identity and everything. And you're gonna have to provide that information if you wanna get into them. These are not scams. These are all legitimate apps that I'm showing you. If I say $100, you get $7.75 a year extra. That might not seem like a lot, but when you scale it, when you have $100,000 in your bank account, a traditional bank, you might only get, what is that, like $250 or something like that, as to where this app, you would get $7,750. If you have $1 million in here, you're going to be getting $77,500. So you wouldn't even have to work. That would just pay your salary. So this is like the highest interest rate savings account out there. Definitely a dope new app that you guys need to check out. And you can get that $5 free with my link in the description. Moving on to the next app. This is Robinhood. It is a mobile investing app. They allow you to buy stocks, options, crypto, things like that. When you sign up using my link in the description, we will both get a free stock that can be valued up to $500. You can read all of the information here. 100% chance you get a free stock. About a 1 in 250 chance it's Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, or Facebook, or like a high value stock that can be worth up to $500. So like these are all free stocks that I've gotten. Snapchat is a $17 stock. Normally I'm getting like $5 stocks for free, but sometimes you'll get one that's 10, 17, and they can be all the way up to 500. So it's free to join. There's nothing to lose. There's just a little bit of randomness whether you get a $500 stock or not. Also, this app is dope. It's an investing app. You can buy, sell, trade stocks and cryptocurrencies, and you don't have to buy a whole stock. That's what a lot of people don't understand about investing. If you want to buy only $1 worth of a Snapchat stock or $1 worth of Square, Twitter, or whatever, you can do that. You can test the waters, learn about investing. Investing is a big deal. You need to learn investing. All rich people invest their money, and that's the best way to get rich. Moving on to the next app, we have Cash App. So Cash App is another mobile banking app. It's an all-in-one mobile banking tool. You've got your wallet, which is basically your savings account. You save your money in here. They've got a card that you can attach to your wallet. This is a physical card that you can swipe and everything, and that basically spends your wallet balance. They've got peer-to-peer payments, so I can send and receive money from others. They've got an investing section, so you can invest in Bitcoin and stocks. Similar to Robinhood, you can invest as little as $1. So this is a great place to come and learn about investing, test the waters a little bit. You don't have to put in hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. You can just put in a few dollars, get a feel for it, see what it's all about. You guys can see I just invest a little bit here. I don't even have a whole share of most of these. I've just bought a little bit to see how it goes, to start to learn about it. And just starting to learn is the biggest step. It might not seem like much, but it'll take you a long ways in the future. I don't know if I said this or not, but if you sign up with my link in the description using Cash App, we'll both get $5 for free. The next app is Coinbase. It's a place to buy and store your cryptocurrencies. So if you sign up using my link, and if you buy or sell $100 worth of cryptocurrency on the Coinbase app, we'll both get $10 for free. And you don't have to buy a cryptocurrency that you think is risky. You don't have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can come and buy USDC, so you can invest in this coin. Just put $100 in. It's a stable coin. It never goes up or down in value, but it is a cryptocurrency, and you can get 1.25% APY on it. So if you just put your money into this coin, you're gonna get better returns than it sitting in a bank account. And all you need to do is put $100 in here. We'll both get $10 for free, so that's dope as well. The next one is Coinbase Earn. You can sign up for this. They have lessons about cryptocurrency. They're just short videos. Then you take quizzes with multiple choice questions. They're very simple to do. The Videos are short, the answers are short, and all of the lessons together pay out over $100. I've done this. It's a great way to get started with crypto. You can see that there's a bunch of different tokens to learn about, and they're always adding new lessons on here to learn about as well. So they might add a new token and then say like, you can get a $30 reward if you learn about this one, then they'll give you $30 worth of that token. So there you have it, the top 5 free money apps. We've got Outlet, we've got Robinhood, we've got Cash App, Coinbase, and Coinbase Earn. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't lay your problems on the past.